What's up, guys? We're here today making a video of the birds. There's Sunshine, there's Moonshine, there's Cinnamon, Banana, Muffin. Muffin is that one. That's Angelica. That's Stormy, McFlurry, Galaxy. Don't know which duck that is. Excuse me, sir. Duck, are you okay? All right. Those are all the other ducks. Oh, there's I forget their names so quickly. I don't know. Hey, Sunshine, do you want a blackberry? Ah! Here. Ate it right from my hand. Good boy. Oh no, he made me bleed. Just kidding, it's blackberry juice. Oh. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I got you. I got you, buddy. He's okay. He's just a little bit overreactive. I gotcha. This is his beard. Sir Chill has a beard. Fine, I'll leave you alone. Ugh, so rude. He's very overreactive. Unfortunately, last night we lost a chicken due to some type of predator. Don't know what it was. This is Billy, the chicken hunter. Buddy likes to hunt chickens for fun. That's Shasta, those two knuckleheads' mother. Well, I think that about wraps it up. Oh, there's Tiny Dog. His name is actually Hey Hey, but I call him Tiny Dog. And down there we have Henrietta. Well, she's hiding. Well, have a good time. Have a good day. Bye.